Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 15 November 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So friends, if we remember in the international market on Friday, the US markets were up, and also if we look at the FIs and DIs data of the Friday session, the FIs turned net buyers by around 500 crores after the huge selling from last many months. Although there is only one day we have in which the FIs have been net buyers. Rest it all depends on the next coming trading days, that is of today's and tomorrow's, and we have to see whether the FIs have literally become the net buyers from net sellers, or it is only 1 or 2 days of buying. So the overall sentiment of the FIs we have to analyze, and we have to wait for next 2 to 3 trading days and see whether the FIs have really turned into buyers from the cash market. But also we have to see that the impact of FIs selling. So from past many months the FIs are continuously selling, but if we look at the Nifty's levels, it is continuously reaching its all-time highs, and the contribution of retail investors and domestic investors overpowered the effect of FIs selling in cash markets. So this shows that the FII's monopoly in the Indian market have come to a pause, or rather it has come to an end due to the participation of retail investors. If we see from past 1 to 1.5 years, the contribution of retail investors have been increased manifold in especially Indian markets, which is a positive sign for especially Indian markets. And also if you look at the CPI, that is Consumer Price Index, which came at 4.5%, which is in the range of the RBI's analysis, and which is in the range of RBI's interval. So the consumer price inflation is under control. And if we look at the industrial production data, it was not good as expected, but the manufacturing PMI data and service data were good, which shows that overall economy of the India is improving and is in a positive sign. Although for especially this week there can be some slight profit booking for immediate short term perspective can be seen, but the overall sentiment and trend of the market is expected to remain positive. And for the next 1 or 2 trading weeks, it is especially Nifty and Bank Nifty are expected to be volatile and range bound. No major upside move, and also no major downside move is expected in Nifty for next 1 or 2 trading weeks. So you need to be very careful, and if you are the options buyer especially, then you need to be more careful in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you are option buyers, then it is advised to book timely profit and to not wait for more than 1 day for your position, as the volatility can lead your premium as volatility can lead your premium to discounts, and you can lose your time value of your option strategy. Therefore it is advised to book your profit timely, especially if you are an option buyer, whether you are call buyer or put buyer, it doesn't matter. But only a thing that matter is you need to be very quick in booking your profits, and to not wait for long time if you are option buyer, as whenever there is volatility, it is beneficial only for the option seller, as the time value keep on decreasing and the premium of the option also keep on decreasing. So it is beneficial for the option sellers. and the overall range of the market is expected to be in the range of if we talk about Nifty, then it is expected to be in the range of 18,400 to 17,800 for this week. Note that this range is for the weekly expiry, not for the monthly expiry. So for the weekly expiry, the range of the Nifty is expected to be in the range of 17,800 to 18,400. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our episode. Thank you and good day.